Hello there, this is my first YouTube channel. I'll be discussing about the Python course. Throughout this course, you'll be learning core concepts of Python. Along with that, if time permits, I'll definitely explain you about some of the projects in Python. In this session, we'll be discussing about only the first program in Python, installation of Pycharm. To download and installing Python, the step-by-step process I'll be explaining in this course. First, open your Chrome and just type Python Pycharm. Just hit enter, and then you will see the first link. Just click on it. Pycharm, the Python IDE. This page will be opened. Here, you just scroll down, and if you want, you just go through this whole page and scroll up and just click on download. See, this is basically for full-fledged professional or free community, so you can download it. It's pretty much used for all other projects as well. Just click on download. It will take some time to download. It's based on your internet again. If it is not downloading, you just click on the direct link. Once it's downloaded, you just go back to your downloads folder where you can see the DMG file. You just have to open it, and the DMG file you just have to drag and drop into the applications folder. Since it is in Mac, I'm just doing it this way, but if you are using Windows, you can directly install it. And once it's installed, you just type Pycharm and hit enter. Pycharm will be opening where you can actually run all the Python programs. Pycharm is opened, so now you can see the project files over here. I do have already my project created, so you can see a Python project over here. But if you're opening it from for the first time, you just have to create your own project. For that, you just have to click on the new project. You need to select the path of your project and then just select the Python version, which is basically a Python interpreter. For Python interpreter, you just have to go to Chrome and download Python interpreter if the default interpreter is not available in the Pycharm. Basically, it should be available, so you don't need to install it again. You can see my project is created. I am just creating a new directory over here, which is Python basics. Once it is done, under the directory, I am creating a new Python file where you can actually write the Python program. So hello world is the name of my Python, and .py is the extension of the file name. I'm just maximizing the screen and just trying to write a statement over here. To print something onto the screen, we'll just use a print statement. Here you can see there's one warning. You can just ignore it because this is not the actual error. You just have to click on this run button and you can see the output over this small screen. Now you can see it's in hello world, and you can just type print and then single quotation marks, ending parentheses, and then just write a single character in it, then run it. Basically, running this button to execute this program will take time, so I'm going to explain you about the shortcuts. If you just click on Control Option and all, this given the solution or the output